Appropriate.
Tepat.
Appropriate.
It's appropriate to wear a suit when you go to the office.
Sangat tepat mengenakan setelan saat Anda pergi ke kantor.
It's appropriate to wear a suit when you go to the office.
Avoid.
Menghindari.
Avoid.
Avoid the broken bottle on the floor.
Hindari botol pecah di lantai.
Avoid the broken bottle on the floor.
Behave.
Berperilaku.
Behave.
She always behaves well when her father is around.
Dia selalu berperilaku baik saat ayahnya ada di dekatnya.
She always behaves well when her father is around.
Calm.
Tenang.
Calm.
A nice warm bath makes me feel so calm.
Mandi air hangat yang menyenangkan membuatku merasa sangat tenang.
A nice warm bath makes me feel so calm.
Concern.
Kekhawatiran.
Concern.
I was filled with concern after reading the newspaper.
Saya dipenuhi kekhawatiran setelah membaca koran.
I was filled with concern after reading the newspaper.
Content.
Puas.
Content.
The baby looked very content sitting on the floor.
Bayi itu terlihat sangat puas duduk di lantai.
The baby looked very content sitting on the floor.
Expect.
Mengharapkan.
Expect.
I expect the bus to be here very soon.
Saya berharap bus akan segera sampai di sini.
I expect the bus to be here very soon.
Frequently.
Sering.
Frequently.
We meet frequently, either at the beginning or ending of the week.
Kami sering bertemu, baik di awal atau akhir minggu.
We meet frequently, either at the beginning or ending of the week.
Habit.
Kebiasaan.
Habit.
Smoking is a bad habit that can kill you.
Merokok adalah kebiasaan buruk yang bisa membunuhmu.
Smoking is a bad habit that can kill you.
Instruct.
Menginstruksikan.
Instruct.
My teacher instructs us in several subjects.
Guru saya mengajar kami dalam beberapa mata pelajaran.
My teacher instructs us in several subjects.
Issue.
Masalah.
Issue.
The men spoke about issues that were important to the people.
Para pria berbicara tentang masalah yang penting bagi masyarakat.
The men spoke about issues that were important to the people.
None.
Tidak ada.
None.
He spent all his money. There is none left.
Dia menghabiskan semua uangnya. Tidak ada yang tersisa.
He spent all his money. There is none left.
Patient.
Sabar.
Patient.
I had to be patient and wait until 5 o'clock to leave.
Saya harus bersabar dan menunggu sampai jam 5 untuk pergi.
I had to be patient and wait until 5 o'clock to leave.
Positive.
Positif.
Positive.
She has a positive future ahead of her after finishing college.
Dia memiliki masa depan yang cerah setelah menyelesaikan kuliah.
She has a positive future ahead of her after finishing college.
Punish.
Menghukum.
Punish.
To punish me, my teacher had me stand in the corner.
Untuk menghukum saya, guru saya menyuruh saya berdiri di sudut.
To punish me, my teacher had me stand in the corner.
Represent.
Mewakili.
Represent.
My lawyer will represent me in court.
Pengacara saya akan mewakili saya di pengadilan.
My lawyer will represent me in court.
Shake.
Menggenkang.
Shake.
When people shake hands, it usually means they agree.
Ketika orang-orang saling berjabat tangan, itu biasanya berarti mereka setuju.
When people shake hands, it usually means they agree.
Spread.
Menyebar.
Spread.
I like to spread butter on my toast.
Saya suka menyebarkan mentega di roti panggang saya.
I like to spread butter on my toast.
Stroll.
Berjalan-jalan.
Stroll.
My dog and I strolled through the park today.
Hari ini, saya dan anjing saya berjalan-jalan di taman.
My dog and I strolled through the park today.
Village.
Desa.
Village.
There are only a few houses in my village.
Di desa saya hanya ada beberapa rumah.
There are only a few houses in my village.
Appropriate.
Tepat.
Appropriate. Avoid.
Menghindari.
Avoid. Behave.
Berperilaku.
Behave. Calm.
Tenong.
Calm. Concern.
Kekhawatiran.
Concern. Content.
Puas.
Content. Expect.
Menggarapkan.
Expect. Frequently.
Sering.
Frequently. Habit.
Kebiasaan.
Habit. Instruct.
Menginstruksikan.
Instruct. Issue.
Masalah.
Issue. None.
Tidak ada.
None. Patient.
Sabar.
Patient. Positive.
Positif.
Positive. Punish.
Menghukum.
Punish. Represent.
Mewakili.
Represent. Shake.
Mengenkang.
Shake. Spread.
Menyebar.
Spread. Stroll.
Berjalan-jalan.
Stroll. Village.
Desa.
Village.